Imagine cutting your project schedule by 17%. Imagine generating hundreds of optimized site plans in the time it takes to pour a cup of coffee. Or having an AI instantly identify every structural risk in a 200-page geotechnical report. This isn't science fiction. This is civil engineering in 2026. Civil engineering is one of the oldest professions in the world. But the way we design, build, and manage infrastructure is changing forever. If you're still doing manual calculations, relying solely on traditional CAD workflows, or spending hours on documentation, you're already falling behind. Today, we're looking at the 4 AI tools that are redefining civil engineering. These aren't just cool gadgets, they are the new industry standard. Let's dive in. First on our list is Autodesk Forma. Formerly known as SpaceMaker, this AI-powered tool is an absolute game-changer for site planning and early-stage design. In the past, gathering site context and running initial feasibility studies could take weeks. Forma changes that by instantly pulling in real-world data to build a 3D context model of your site in minutes. But where it truly shines is its predictive analytics. Instead of waiting for specialized consultants, Forma uses AI to simulate wind patterns, sun exposure, daylight potential, and noise impact in real time. It allows engineers and architects to test hundreds of design iterations simultaneously. You can compare different massing options side by side, ensuring every project is optimized for sustainability, livability, and efficiency before the first stone is even laid. If you're in urban planning or large-scale development, this is your new best friend. Next up is Alice Technologies. We all know that construction scheduling is a nightmare. Traditional Gantt charts are static, and one delay can cost millions. Alice is the world's first generative construction platform. It uses AI to analyze your project's constraints, like labor availability, equipment limits, and material delivery schedules. You input your 3D model and your rules, and Alice generates thousands of possible construction schedules. It doesn't just tell you when to build, it tells you the most efficient way to build. What happens if you add a second crane? What if concrete delivery is delayed by a week? Alice instantly recalculates the entire project timeline and cost. You can visually explore these scenarios in 4D, watching the building construct itself on screen based on different schedules. The results speak for themselves. Companies using Alice have reported reducing labor costs by 14%, equipment costs by 12%, and overall project duration by 17%. If you deal with multifamily residential, commercial, or industrial projects, you need to know about TestFit. This is generative design at its absolute finest. TestFit uses AI to instantly generate building layouts, parking configurations, and unit mixes based on your specific site constraints and local zoning laws. You simply draw a boundary, and the AI fills it with an optimized, code-compliant building. What used to take a team of engineers and architects days of back-and-forth drafting now takes literal seconds. You can adjust parameters like target parking ratios or unit sizes, and the entire 3D model updates instantly. It's not just about speed. It's about finding the most profitable and feasible use of a piece of land instantly. It bridges the gap between real estate developers and civil engineers, allowing for rapid feasibility studies that reduce risk and maximize potential. Finally, we have the tool everyone knows, but few engineers are using to its full potential, ChatGPT. But I'm not talking about just chatting or writing emails. In 2026, custom engineering GPTs are being trained on specific building codes, local regulations, soil reports, and structural standards. You can now upload a massive, 200-page geotechnical report and ask the AI to identify every high-risk area, summarize the soil-bearing capacities, and flag potential groundwater issues in seconds. Or use it to automate your technical specifications. Instead of copying and pasting from old projects, you can prompt the AI to draft a complete, project-specific concrete specification based on the latest ACI codes. It's also revolutionizing construction administration. When an RFI comes in from the field, the AI can instantly cross-reference the question against the entire project manual and drawing set to draft a highly accurate response for your review. It's the ultimate force multiplier for your daily documentation. So, which tool should you focus on? If you're in early-stage urban planning and environmental design, Autodesk Forma is essential. For construction managers and general contractors looking to optimize schedules, Alice Technologies is the clear winner. If you're doing site feasibility and layout generation, TestFit will save you countless hours. And for every engineer dealing with heavy documentation, codes, and reports, mastering custom GPTs is no longer optional. The future of civil engineering isn't about AI replacing engineers. It's about engineers who use AI replacing those who don't. The tools are here. The only question is how quickly you'll adapt. Which of these tools are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the AI workflows that are shaping our professional world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.